Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the new Realme 8. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 40,000 PK on Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a 5000 mAh battery size on the Realme 8. And also on the front we have a 6.4 inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and also we get a punch hole on the left hand side as you can see. And guys, right now and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 it is at 0%, and you can see no battery on the Realme 8 right now. And also on the back we get a plastic on this phone. As you can see, we have a quad cameras on the back. We have 64 megapixel main camera, and also I already done the camera test of the Realme 8 on my channel, so if you're interested, watch that. So in this video I'm going to show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100% again. And the battery it is really low on this phone. So first let me show you the charger and the cable is that you are getting with the Realme 8 right out the box. So here is the box of the Realme 8. Again, I already done the unboxing of the Realme 8 on my channel. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, inside of this box, and you can see we get a charger, and also we get a USB Type-C cable, and you can see. So now let's see the charger first. And guys, here is the charger. So now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see it is a 5 volt with a 6 ampere. And guys, and this is a 30 watt super fast charging, and you can see we get a dark logo on the front, and also we get a cable. And guys, we get a USB Type-C cable with the Realme 8 as you can see. And nice to see that we get a USB Type-C cable on the Realme 8. And guys, and the Realme 8 Pro has a 50 watt super fast charging, but the Realme 8 has a 30 watt super fast charging. So without any wasting time, now let's insert the USB A into the adapter like this, and you can see. And guys, again, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 it is at 0%. So now let's quickly start the test. And guys, you can see that here is a switchboard, and the power source it is also on. And also now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy A52, and you can see. So now let's insert the charger like this. And guys, also now let's insert the USB Type-C cable into the phone. And now let's see that how much time is required for the Realme 8. Now let's insert the cable, and also now let's quickly start the stopwatch as well. And this logo is showing me that the battery charging is start on this phone, but right now and the battery percentage it is very low on this phone. So also and Realme phones it is automatically on, and you can see right now I cannot see anything. And guys, also one thing it is also really important is that the battery charging it is depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature. Right now the temperature in this room it is about 32 degrees Celsius. So if you're charging this phone in high temperature, and the result will be different. Okay guys, I'm back, and you can see, and guys, and my Realme 8 it is automatically on. Now let's quickly unlock my device, and guys, you can see that and the phone it is on. And let me show the battery percentage, and you can see. And also we have a dark logo on this phone. And guys, you can see that everything it is off on this phone, like the Wi-Fi, location and Bluetooth, everything it is off on this phone. And also it does not have any SIM card on this phone as well. And guys, now I will be back after 20 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the first 20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 20 minutes of battery charging. So now let's see battery percentage on the Realme 8. And guys, in the battery percentage on the Realme 8 it is at 33%. So you can see that, and this phone is charged about 33% in 20 minutes of battery charging. So now I will be back after 40 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next 20 minutes. So now I will see you at 40 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 40 minutes of battery charging, and you can see almost. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8. And guys, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 it is at 62%, and you can see. And guys, and this phone is charged 62% in 40 minutes of battery charging. You can see that the battery charging it is very fast on this phone. Now I will be back after 1 hour 60 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the total 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour 60 minutes. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8. And guys, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 it is at 90%, and you can see. And guys, and the Realme 8 is charged 90% in 60 minutes of battery charging. So you can see that. Now I will be back after when my Realme 8 is hit 100% fully charged. Now let's see that how much time is required after 60 minutes of battery charging. Right now again battery percentage it is at 90%. Okay guys, I'm back and my Realme 8 is hit 100% fully charged in 1 hour and 17 minutes, and guys, and this phone is hit 100% charging at 1 hour and 14 minutes. You can see that at 1 hour and 17 minutes, and this phone is hit 100% fully charged. And guys, what I have to say regarding the battery charging speed of the Realme 8, as you can see that, and this phone is performed very good in the battery charging test, because we have a 30-watt super fast charging on this phone, and this phone is take again 1 hour and 70 minutes, I would say, which is not really bad, I have to say, because in this price range we get a maximum 33-watt super fast charging. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the new Realme 8. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.